Want to be your own boss? Freelancing is the answer. You can work from anywhere. You can set your own hours. You can even make more money than your regular job. Sounds good, right? Let's get you started. Freelancing is exploding. More and more people are choosing this lifestyle. It's all about freedom and flexibility. You are in control. You decide what you want to do and when you want to do it. This guide will show you how to become a successful freelancer. We will cover everything from finding work to making more money. It's time to unlock your earning potential. Get ready to take control of your future. First things first, you need a skill to sell. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? The best freelance skills are in high demand. Need some ideas? Graphic design is always hot. Businesses need logos, websites, and marketing materials. Video editing is another great option. Everyone wants engaging videos for YouTube, social media, and more. Don't forget about writing. Every business needs compelling content. This includes website copy, blog posts, and social media updates. These are just a few examples. There are endless possibilities in the freelance world. You don't need a fancy degree to be a freelancer. You can learn everything online, often for free. There are tons of resources available. YouTube is your best friend. You can find tutorials on almost anything. Want to learn graphic design? Search for beginner graphic design tutorials on YouTube. It's that easy. For more structured learning, check out Coursera and Udemy. They offer online courses on a wide range of topics. Many of these courses are free or very affordable. Learning is an investment in your future. Take advantage of these amazing resources. Section 4. Finding gigs like a pro where the work is. Now that you have the skills, it's time to find some work. Freelance job platforms are your new best friend. Fiverr is a great place to start. You can offer your services for as little as $5. It's a numbers game. The more gigs you offer, the more likely you are to get hired. Upwork is another popular platform. It's a bit more competitive, but the pay is usually higher. Toptal is for experienced freelancers. They have a rigorous screening process. But if you make the cut, you can command top dollar for your services. These platforms connect you with clients all over the world. It's an amazing opportunity to build your portfolio and earn money doing what you love. Section 5. Standing out from the crowd. Make your profile pop. Competition can be fierce in the freelance world. You need to make your profile stand out. Think of it as your online storefront. First impressions matter. Use a professional photo. Smile and look approachable. Your bio is your elevator pitch. Keep it short, sweet, and compelling. Highlight your skills and experience. Show off your best work in your portfolio. Choose projects that demonstrate your skills and expertise. Client testimonials are gold. Ask satisfied clients if they're willing to provide a testimonial. A polished profile will attract more clients and help you land more jobs. Section 6. Winning proposals. Land more jobs with these tips. When you find a job you like, you need to submit a proposal. This is your chance to sell yourself to the client. Make it count. Personalize your proposals. Take the time to read the job description carefully. Address the client's specific needs. Let them know that you understand their requirements. Highlight your relevant skills and experience. Explain how you can help them achieve their goals. Don't be afraid to showcase your personality. Let your enthusiasm shine through. Proofread your proposals carefully. Typos and grammatical errors can make you look unprofessional. A well-written proposal demonstrates your professionalism and increases your chances of getting hired. Section 7. Level up your earnings from side hustle to success story. Once you've got some gigs under your belt, it's time to think about scaling your income. You're not just freelancing for fun, right? You want to make serious money. As you gain more experience and positive reviews, don't be afraid to increase your rates. Your value increases with every successful project. Consider offering packages. Instead of selling individual services, bundle them together. This can attract clients looking for a one-stop shop. Remember, freelancing is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, persistent, and always strive to improve your skills. The sky's the limit. So what are you waiting for? The world of freelancing awaits. Go out there and make your dreams a reality. What are you most excited about in the world of freelancing? Share your thoughts in the comments below.